Welcome to Learning Time. In this video, we're gonna learn past perfect continuous tense. How to form past perfect continuous tense and then when to use it. First of all, look at these sentences. I had been studying a lot. It had been raining. Both of these sentences are in past perfect continuous tense. Now, how to form past perfect continuous tense? For that, we need auxiliary to have past form, which is had, plus verb to be, which is been, plus verb infinitive form plus ing. For example, you had been listening to the music. She had been wasting a lot of water. It had been raining all week. But we need to pay extra attention to verbs ending in E, such as live, close, and wipe, because these verbs drop their letter E. For example, she had been wiping the floor. I had been living there. They had been closing the window. Now, how to form past perfect continuous in questions? Again, for that we need auxiliaries to have past form had plus subject plus verb to be, been plus verb infinitive form plus ing. For example, had she been wiping the floor? Had they been studying? Now, how to form past perfect continuous in negatives? Again, for that, we need auxiliaries to have past form had, then we have to add not contracted into in hadn't plus verb to be, been plus verb infinitive form plus ing. For example, she hadn't been listening to the music. It hadn't been raining. Now, when we have to use past perfect continuous tense, we use past perfect continuous tense for activities that started in the past but before something else in the past, before something else already done in the past. For example, I had been completed my homework before I met her. So I completed my homework already, so then I met her. So one actions had already completed before starting another and completed another as well. So both of these actions before and afters are started in the past and completed in the past as well.